How's everybody doing, my people? We're gonna play Gold Stacks. 88. Gold Stacks 88. Customary 20. Penny Denon, 88 cents. Here we go, guys. We need 3 of those Al Kabongs. Come on, baby. Drums, drums, drums. Okay, not bad. Got some drums there. Let's go. Oh. Oranges. Alright, some oranges. Wow, not even $1. Drums, drums, drums. Alright, let's go. Oh, all those coins with nothing. Where's my coins now? Come on, 3 drums. Shake, shake, shake. Fireworks. Firecrackers, I mean. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. 12 cents. What the heck? There we go. Come on now. Oh, dragon. Drums. Oh, drums. Darn it. Come on. All right now. Oh, damn orange. Where we got? Oh, I needed one more. Al Kabonger. Damn it. Didn't get it, guys. There we go. Oh, where's my coins at now? There we go. Okay. Not bad. That was a good line hit. Considering. There's the guy's clapping. Well, maybe not. Alright, here we go. That was 768. Good one. Kept me in the game. Oh my gosh. Oranges, oranges. No oranges. Come on now. Come on, let's get some now. Pop that. No, not yet, guys. Bonus, come on. Oranges? No. Oh, we needed one in front. Oh, here it goes, guys. Look at that. We popped it. A good thing, because we only had one more spin to go. Alright, here we go. Let's... Major. We like it. We like it. Come on. Oh, another major, guys. How about a major? Let's get it. No, that's no good. Oh, a grand would be nice. How about up here for a grand? Come on. Oh, no, 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 no. No, what the heck? Well, at least it's $21, so plus $7.50. All right, mini jackpot winner. At least we got our money back in that one, guys. So, all right, couple backups. Oh, we could have used those oranges. One more backup, guys. All right, that's it. I'm gonna try a different machine now. All right, my people, I'm gonna try Wolf Peak. Let's see what we can get on this one. It's 80 cents. Penny denom, 80 cents. There we go. Got a wild up there. Ooh, those wilds stick. Okay. I like that. We got 5 of a kind aces. Paid $1. Ooh, those wilds are sticking. There we go. Oh, almost got a jackpot, guys. Or maybe an 8-5. I'm just guessing at this point. But here, let's go. All right, 5 of a kind. Some kind of emblem. There we go. 5 cents on that one. Woohoo! There's the bonus. We need 3 of those bonuses, guys. Ooh, wow, wow, wow. Nothing. Come on, let's get some, guys. You can do it. Put your back into it. Oh, got all those eagles in front, which is nothing. All right, there's a wild. A yellow wild. Sticks. 3 times. That's good, guys. There we go. Remember, they stick, so that's good. Oh, that's a good line hit, guys. All right. We're going to spin again because we still got to go there, and we're going to go up over there. This could be really good, guys. Really good. All right, here we go. Something amazing. Let's go. That was good. Darn, that was really good. Okay, let's do it again. Here we go. We got one more try. This is going to be pretty exciting. That was $19. Let's go, guys. Here we go. Oh, that's big, guys. That's huge. Look at that. Massive win. Oh, my. That was really nice, and it's set up perfectly. Holy guacamole, guys. That is a coin show right there, guys. Wow, nice, guys. I'm telling you, sometimes you just get lucky and sit on the right machine. Now let's see if it's gonna do it again. Or this one and that one still have a chance. Let's see. Yeah, they do. Look, oh, we didn't get anything on the front row. That was amazing though. Oh my gosh. Let's go a couple more spins, guys. That was great. Okay, 2 times. Now these are gonna go up, so we definitely gotta keep going. Oh, I needed another wolf in the front. I mean the second line wolf. All right, all right. There we go, we got one more. That was a $5 line hit. Here we go. Ace is on. All right, that was fun. Let's go again. Maybe we can get a bonus. Regular bonus. Here we go. Come on. Come on, give me 3 of those bonus. Couple more spins, guys, and I'm gonna try a different machine. This one did good for me though. Oh, wait a minute. Gotta stand it now. Come on, give me something on the second line. Wow, there you go. Oh, this is good. This is good, guys. All right. Oh, I almost had the wild on the third line. Come on, give me some on the third line. Nice. I got the Eagles, guys. Look at that. 5 of a kind on the Eagles. I didn't get a coin show on that one, but still going. 1030, nice. Couple more spins. Ooh, I forgot about that one still. Oh, come on, baby. You're doing good, you're doing good. Keep the party going, keep the party going. Ooh. There's another, some kind of a jackpot thing. I don't know, maybe I'll get it. Couple more spins, guys. Oh, there's the bonus again. 2 of those jackpots, come on. One more scattered. Oh, I got 2 scatters only, guys. Here we go. Oh my goodness, look at all those wilds. I didn't get nothing. And I noticed the yellow wild, the yellow like this yellow, but like that, pays you a sticky wild. Ooh, like that one. Okay, now that's gonna stick there, so let's see what we can get, guys. Oh, that one's gonna stick on the first line, so let's see what we can get. And that 3 times, come on. Kings, we got some kings. All right, we got one more for that 3rd line, come on. Something good, something good. Nice, wilds, nice. All right. That's how you do it, guys. $10. Let's keep going. Oh, now this one's gonna stick. That one goes away. There we go, my peeps. Come on. Oh my goodness. Come on, some on the 2nd, 3rd line. Nothing. That was it, guys. That's gonna go away now. Come on. Come on, bonus. Where's my bonus? Scattered? No. Ooh, that wild at the end's gonna stay. Now give me some more wilds up front. Oh, wolf, come on. Darn it, I needed one more bonus, guys. All right, all right. Ace? No ace. There we go, guys. Come on, wolf. All right, that one's gonna stay now, so I'm gonna do a couple more. Maybe I'll get another wild. Oh, I stopped it by accident, guys, and screwed it up. All right. Darn it. Stopped it by accident, messed it up, guys. Ooh, 2 times up there. I gotta stay on this for a little bit. Oh, that's good right there. Got the white wolf. All right, all right. Oh, bonus. Got some kings. One more, come on. Darn it, nothing. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Come on, you can do it. Oh, okay, some eagles. Oh my gosh. There we go, guys. Come on, something. Oh, I needed one more scattered, guys. Look at that. Alright, guys, I'm going to try one more machine. Alright, my people, for the last game, I'm going to do Raoul's. Or Raoul's. What the heck was that? Okay, well, it's Super Mario Brothers' cousin, I guess. I don't know. Gemstone Fever. That's what it says. I'll go with that. Alright, guys, penny denom 80 cents. Here we go. Gotta pop those right there. I know we could do it. Alright, let's go. Ooh, almost. There we go. Ooh, we got a lot of those red ones. But unfortunately, it hasn't popped yet. Ooh, double. Oh, I see. Looks like they're floating on pillows, guys. So here we go. Huh. There's that guy with all those jewels. See that? Yeah, it's a magic carpet. Here we go. Oh, I think I needed one more jewel, guys. Oh, I think you need it in the front. Okay. That makes more sense. You need it in the front. Then you can get it. Some good noise, but no bonus yet. Alright, some carpets. Magic carpets. Nope. Nothing yet, guys. Oh my gosh, I needed it in the front like that. Darn it. Come on, let's do this. There we go, guys. Oh, come on. Nothing. Got two of those and we didn't get anything. There we go. Okay, there's some jewels. $1.10. No poppage yet, guys. We're being patient, but some carpets. Ooh, that one just moved up more. Or grew bigger. There we go. Ooh, I got a little Luigi guy. Alright. Oh, he didn't pay very good, $1.80, but we'll take it. That's 2 more spins. Alright. Alright. Some chess. Paid $1. Ooh, I just saw a jewel thief up there. There's a jewels, okay. That's $3. Alright, give us that every once in a while. We'll take it. Oh my gosh. Look at this guy. He's looking around. He's got a jewel in his hand. He just took off with it instead of giving it to me. Alright, here we go. Where were my jewels at? Oh, look at that. He's got him right there in his jacket. Let's go. Come on, baby. Oh, come on, double. Nothing, guys. We didn't get anything on that. There we go. Woo. It's a lot of racket for no pops, guys. Look at this guy again. Now he's got one on his head. Darn him. Instead of putting it on his head, he should just give me the bonus. That's what he should do. But no. He's playing head games, guys. Look at that. Sneaking right there and grabbing it. Shame on him. Let's go. Where was my diamond on the second line? Come on. Not now when I have it on the first line, Dingleberry Clown. Alright, $1.45. We'll take it. That middle one's like super stuffed. Oh my gosh, where was my first diamond in the front? Again. Some chest? No chest. Oh, this thing's got to pop pretty quick because there's a diamond. I don't know, it's like pretty filled up. All three, come on, all three pop. No, look at that, guys. I had all three of them. They didn't pop. They should have. Okay. All right, come on now. Wowza. Crazy. Alright guys, I got a double pop. Whew. I was starting to think this was just crazy ridiculous. I wasn't going to get anything. But I got some, guys, so let's go. Let's do this. 10 free spins awarded. Here we go. Ooh, we got a lot of shaking going on. There he is. Look at him. Oh, he just fell to the floor. There's his carpet. Okay. Extra spins. There he is. All right. 2 times 1 time. Let's get some extra spins. Oh, we didn't get nothing, guys. Terrible. Come on. Oh, pop that last one. Come on. There's a diamond. Alright. Got rid of that carpet guy. There we go. Diamond. Oh, darn it. Come on, diamond. Ooh, 4 pops. I didn't get anything. I should have got something. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Alright guys, here we go. I got 5 more spins, guys. Oh, thank you very much. I finally got some extra spins. Look at that, 2 extra spins. I needed one here, a diamond, so I could, oh. Alright, it's okay. Keep going, guys. Diamond. Oh, we got this filled up. Alright, so we lose another symbol. Here we go. Here we go, guys. We're doing pretty good. Diamond, 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 diamond. There we go. That's what we needed. All right, we got a little hit. We got 4 more spins, guys. Something good. Come on. Oh, where was... Oh, my gosh. We didn't even get a re-trigger on that, guys. Come on. Diamond, 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 diamond. There you go. 2 more spins, guys. We need to do better than that, but come on. How about a re-trigger? We didn't get a re-trigger, guys. Last spin, last spin. Last spin, guys. Oh, we didn't get a re-trigger. Oh, we didn't get any more diamonds, guys. All right. That's 30-30, 30-30. Not bad, we'll take it. Of course, we'll do a couple backups. There we go. Oh, where was my diamond in front? Alright guys, that was it. Appreciate you watching. See you on the next video. Thank you so much.